Alright, this is the Hohem iSteady M6 kit. It is a fairly large gimbal that is used mostly for smartphones, but it will work with some compact mirrorless cameras as well, as long as they're lighter. This can hold up to about 400 grams. And this right here is a cool little trick that it's got up its sleeve, which we will take a look at in just a moment. Just a quick look around the rest of the box. It's mostly plain. And this right here will show you a couple of the features. Zoom around that real quick. Well, let's get inside it. Opening it up, you have this really nice case that it comes with. It's got a very nice textured grippy handle. Very nice zipper that looks great. Pull tab for it. Opens right up. It's kind of a harder case with some texturing on the back to make all the cutouts for everything that's sitting inside. And as we open it here, see this very large pocket on the top flap has your user manual, which is nice to see these days. Most people send you to a PDF file online. You can see it's got dozens and dozens of languages here to go through, so should work for most people. Starting here on the top, you've got the tripod part. You can see right there. This will open up and lay flat like that. In this box down here is going to be your different charging cables. So pull those out, put them here. So the first one you see here is a Type-C to Type-C on a nice stretchy cord. Here's a short length Type-A to Type-C cord. And they also include Lightning port to Type-C for iPhone users. Last thing we're going to see here is the gimbal itself. Very nice, large, textured handle for the gimbal. Lots of doodads and buttons everywhere. And right here, if you can see, it does say power on. Long press for 3 seconds to turn it on. This is going to be the charging port for it. You got some attachments here. You can probably attach another device to the side of it. And some more dials for adjusting things. Here you can see an A and B button. That's going to be able to program point A and point B, and it will automatically move the gimbal's position between those at a set time. You can see here this is a nice wide clip for different size iPhones and Android phones and everything else between. And the very cool part, you got a magnetic connection here for an AI camera. Now it does not use the camera that's on your phone that you'll be using here. It has its own camera, as you can see, and what it does is it has an intelligence to be able to pan and tilt the camera's gimbal to track where you are. And it starts and stops by very convenient hand gestures, which we'll have to take a look at later. So that is our first look at what you get in this kit. You're going to have to set it all up, play around with it, figure out how it all works, and we'll come back for another video.